See if the newly made floppy will boot. This is the original, what my source disk, what I made the copy of, and here's the newly reformatted disk. I'm on a newly reformatted and newly made with the files copied to it. So I'm gonna put that in the A drive and reset the computer. We'll get back to the HDNM prompt, and I'm gonna hit a D. And looks good. Boot it up. So we can do an unlock and run a directory. So that's the same directory that was on the source disk. So it looks good.